Alright, just got this delivered by UPS. Galaxy S10 Plus. Alright. I've been using the OnePlus 6T for a little while, but I also had the Galaxy S9 Plus for almost a year. And many other Samsung phones. Alright. Here we go. Very nice. The AKG headphones looks like they are white. That's nonsense. White charger. Let's see, yeah, everything's white inside. I guess they're doing color coordination. Alright. Set that aside here. I ordered a really cheap case, but gonna order something else. Not sure what yet. And yeah, here we go. T-Mobile Galaxy S10 Plus. Let me know what videos you want to see or any comparison to the OnePlus 6T. Alright.